Hi viewers, this is another video about the Bluetooth speaker Boombest, to be precise. Boombest, this is Boombest MP3 player, and this one has a power issue. It has a power issue. A customer brought it to me some few moments ago, and even if you switch it on like this, it doesn't come on. You switch it on, it doesn't come on. As you can see, even plugging it to the light, it will not come on. Switching it on directly, it won't come on. So I'm going to show you how we can fix this right away. You can see it doesn't come on. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can fix this as an engineer and also a learner by yourself. I'm going to show you how you can go about it. So even though you plug your charger, you can see that it is charging fine, perfectly, but even though you switch it on, it will not come on. It won't. Plug it, it's charging, but it's not coming on. So now at the back of the PCB, the first thing I would like you to do when troubleshooting this MP3, looking at the back, there is always a diode. There's a diode here. The first thing I will advise you to do is to bridge the diode with the picker, like this, as I'm doing. You switch it on and then you bridge it like this. You will see that it will come on. You can see the light is showing. You can see that it has come on. So most especially, this particular diode is a major issue of this MP3 player or this Bluetooth. This diode here, you can see it will come on again. You can see it's working. It's working now as I've bridged it with using my picker. But once you switch it on, you switch it off and you switch it on, it will not work unless you bridge that diode. Look at it now. You can see it has come on. So the issue is from this particular diode. And what can cause this particular issue, especially when they plug and use, that is, the charger is plugged in directly and then the Bluetooth is switched on and they're using it. That's what makes that diode normally to cut off. So what you are going to do here is that you are going to change that particular diode. I'm going to change it. So I'm going to show you. So you are going to watch the video carefully as I handle it, so that you don't damage any other component inside, so that it doesn't take you a long process. So we are going to replace that diode with a bigger one, so that it can serve you or for whosoever you are doing it for. So I have removed the diode. I've removed the diode. I've removed the diode. So now we are going to get another diode from a charger that is not longer good. So as you can see, I'm going to get this diode from the charger. From it, this is a damaged phone charger, so I'm getting a diode from it now. I'm going to use that particular diode for this work as I'm showing you. So I'm going to remove the diode. I've removed it. So now watch carefully as I'm doing it. So actually, you make this diode to face this particular position. You make it to face, let me zoom it for you so that you can see. You make it to face, let the positive. When you look at the diode, it has two lines on the head. So that's two lines, the positive. So you allow it to face towards the USB. Let the diode face towards the USB. That is the positive side that has lines on it, and then solder it this way. As you are soldering, be careful, don't allow it to breach with any other contact or point on the PCB, so that you don't further damage the PCB or any IC on the PCB. So now let's solder it very well. I'm not going to rush it, I will take it step by step. So to solder it, as you can see, I'm done with the soldering, so I'm going to test it for you now to see. Let's test it. I'm going to connect it now to the battery and the speaker for you now to see whether it's working or not. So connecting the wires, so that's the battery. So now let's on it. You can see that it is working fine now. Let's off it now. Let's off it, and you can see that's off. Now on it again. You can see it's working fine. You can see I'll switch it off and on, and you can see that it is working fine. I'll switch it off again and on. You can see it's working fine. You can see it. You can see. So now I'm going to plug a charger to it and see, to show you that it's all working fine. You can see that it's charging. At the same time, now on it for you to see. You can see the blue light and the color light up there. You can see. So please ensure you subscribe to this channel for more updates, and see you in my next video. Thank you.